When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. When our customers give us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.